Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving straight into how to create invoices within your Asana projects. Let's get started right away. First, make sure you're logged into your Asana account. If you don't have one, sign up. It's free and easy. This is important because Asana is the platform where we're going to create our invoices. Now that we're logged in, go to the appropriate project where you want to create the invoice. The reason we do this is to ensure that the invoice is associated with the correct project, keeping everything tidy and organized. Next up, we're going to click on Add Task in the top right corner of your Asana screen. Here's where you'll add the name of your invoice, like January invoice or Project X invoice. Do this because every invoice should be treated as a task within your project. Now, let me explain why this matters. By treating each invoice as a task, you're able to keep track of your billing within the project's workflow. This is a great way to stay organized and keep your finances in check. Next, it's time to fill in the description box. This is where you'll input all the relevant details about the invoice, things like the items or services you're billing for, the cost, tax, and total amount due. This helps us because it ensures that all the billing details are clear and transparent, making it easy to follow up later. The final step is to assign the invoice to the appropriate person. Click on the assignee field and select the person who should receive the invoice. Wrap this up by setting a due date for payment. The reason we do this is to make sure there is a clear understanding of who is responsible for paying and when the payment is due. So that's it. In just a few simple steps, you've created an invoice within an Asana project. Remember, this method helps to keep your billing organized and integrated with your project workflow. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.